Ensure the coal tar mix is compacted to eliminate voids and achieve a tight bond with the surrounding pavement. Start by preparing the patch area. Remove loose material and dry the surface so the mix sits on solid substrate, not mud or water. Place the coal tar mix in layers no thicker than 2 inches, working from the edges inward to avoid feathering and to ensure even distribution. For each layer, use firm, repetitive stamping with a hand tamper or the heel of a boot, concentrating extra force on the final passes to close surface voids. If you have a mechanical plate compactor, match compaction energy to layer thickness, and keep the plate moving to avoid overcompacting one spot. If adding subsequent layers, roughen the prior compacted surface with a stiff broom or pry bar to create a mechanical key for better interlayer adhesion. Always make multiple passes rather than trying to achieve full density in a single hit, and monitor the material for rebound. Some cold mixes spring back a bit and need additional tamping. Finish by shaping the patch to match the surrounding profile so water sheds properly and traffic does not cause early deformation. Common mistakes start with placing too thick lifts which trap air and prevent full compaction. Keep lifts within the recommended 2-inch range and compact each lift before adding the next. Another frequent issue is inadequate edge preparation that leads to undermining and loosening under traffic. Cut a straight, firm perimeter and clean it thoroughly before placing mix. A third mistake is stopping compaction too soon because the surface looks firm. Continue multiple passes and concentrate on the final surface compaction since the top layer must resist vehicle loads. If you see material spring back after tamping, repeat stamping until rebound stops. On bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around projects like cold patch repairs so people can find local help and share practical tips. We have a discussion community where we and other members exchange real-world techniques, ask questions, and post job leads for contractors seeking work.